Hey, are you searching for good quality ring light? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these ring lights. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which ring light is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Lume Cube 12-inch Cordless Ring Light. The Lume Cube 12 inches ring light is a better deal than Razer's. This one has a battery option to become cordless and comes with a portable box that houses the 6.5 feet tripod stand. Along with the battery and charger is an AC adapter. The ball joint camera mount keeps your smartphone in the ring. Once the light is on, a single dial controls the brightness. Once to modify color temp, twice to check battery life. It's presented on a back LED screen. Mobility is nice, but this unit's tripod stand is the flimsiest I tested. It wouldn't stay level. It made the whole thing feel unstable, which is not what you want when breaking down the latest TikTok dancing trend. Number 2. Yesker 14-inch LED Dimmable Ring Light Kit. Size and pricing make Yesker's 14 inches ring light appealing. The travel bag doesn't hold the tripod stand. That stand has a telescopic rod and is identical to the flimsy one that came with Lume Cube's 12 inches ring light, so you can see they share parts and accessories. Yesker's 240 surface-mounted LEDs run off AC power. There's a flexible, rotatable phone holder, a hot shoe ball joint unit for other cameras with a threaded tripod holder, and a little keychain Bluetooth shutter button controller with iOS and Android buttons. You don't get a digital readout to set brightness or color temp. You may set the color temperature but not the brightness. A USB port on the back lets you charge your phone camera while recording. Number 3. Razer Key Light Chroma. Razer Key Light Chroma is a 10 by 14 inch desk light. Newbies shouldn't spend $300, so this isn't for them. This is for streamers trying to improve. This tiny light is great. It has a color range of 2900 to 7 Kelvin, a brightness of up to 2800 lumens, and is programmable from a PC or smartphone. It supports 16.8 million colors and can react to live stream events. Depending on the camera angle, a Key Light Chroma panel may be used in pairs, tripling the cost. They sync 11 lights, landscape or portrait panel. This is for rich Razer fans. New sells 2 packs of video light kits for half the price with phone controls. They lack temperature range, chroma effects, desk mounting, and coolness. Number 4. Logitech Litra Glow Premium LED Light. The Logitech light is square, not ring or panel. Video chat fills light Litra Glow. It's expensive for a 5 by 3, 5 inches light and 5 feet power cable. The 7 inches clip offsets the light's weight to extend it. Attach the tripod clip. 250 lumens and 2 700 Kelvin to 6 500 Kelvin color temperatures are included. You can control the Litra Glow analog style with the back rocker buttons or the Logitech G-Hub software for Windows or Mac if it's plugged directly into the computer, not a power block. The software lets you create light presets. The Litra Glow is an affordable, flexible webcam fill light. Serious gamers may want a higher wattage panel, but this is the only webcam-friendly light. Number 5. Lume Cube Broadcast Lighting Kit. To remove shadows, couple of Lume Cube Broadcast Lighting Kit small panels. This would be a great alternative to the Razer Key Light Chroma if the pricing was reduced. Lume Cube comes with a suction cup for installation on your desk or monitor as a fill light. The tripod extension was too short to see over my PC displays in my tests. Portrait orientation helps. White silicon softens the 112 LEDs under a frosted lens. One of the few battery-powered video lights. It runs for 16 hours, supposedly. Side buttons and dials adjust brightness and color temperature. The rear LCD settings, including battery life. A 6 inches USB-C to USB a female converter is supplied. Unplug it if you never travel. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.